few years ago, my parents, excuse me, sweating like a farm animal. A few years ago, my parents celebrated their 50th wedding anniversary, and thank you. We had a big party. My mother asked me if I could sing a song, and I thought it would be nice to write them a song. So one morning, I got up, went to my backyard at that time with my cup of coffee and beautiful Ko Lao Mountains. The night before, it was raining really hard. And what I witnessed was unusual and yet beautiful. The clouds and the mist looked like it had long arms, and it was hugging the Ko Lao Mountains. And that gave me the idea of this song. The word in Hawaiian is uhivai. Uhivai means mist, or heavy mist. But in Hawaiian poetry, or kauna, uhivai can also mean love, or describe love. So anyway, the song is called Uhivai. Auhea, uhe, uhivai, ke mai uhivai, makana noe, hinani maulino, hea. Kau mai ke ai me ke o malama lama o ka velo hakala kalaya o ela ke kaline ka huina o ike aloha aina e ia ho ia e ia ho ia e ia Uhivai.